Okay, so this one, Val, we will gonna answer some of the activity. Actually, we're done with this, but we have to answer activity because we are now in keeping up to staying modern now. Yeah, staying modern, unit 6. Okay, but we have to answer the let's practice for this.
Okay.
Okay, can you answer? Oh, wait me. We can maybe discuss a little bit of get to know. I will show you the get to know activity for this one. Okay, so this is only present. This is the third continuation. The third topic, third continuation about present simple, past simple, and future. So we already have one, two, and three. This is the third one. If you remember the last time, we discussed this. This is still the same. Okay, the third review. Okay, the same thing you were going to do with this one. Okay, so since we are done with the present, past, and future, let us do this one. Okay, let us do the practice. Okay, can you please answer, Val?
Okay. Charlie's imagination isn't his strongest point. That's why he prefers
Mm-hmm.
the number one.
Sorry. No, no. I'm I am
It was
wrong.
the number one.
Okay, I am wrong. Okay, number 10.
Okay. Um, um, is luckily
Hmm. Okay.
obviously.
Obviously,
Yeah. And luckily, no, it's the same.
okay, luckily it means luckily or it's different from obviously. So obviously it means obvious. Luck it means lucky. Okay. Obviously
Okay.
this novel will be or novel
This
was.
this, um novel
Mm,
will be bestseller. Um, a bestseller.
So it
And
is.
the number three.
Oh,
Yeah, a
yes.
bestseller.
Okay, next one. Oh,
Okay, a bestseller. Next year, number one.
one.
Okay, it's let me see. Uh, she did so.
Did so.
Oh no, I think she was.
She was so.
She was so upset that her
One. This
number
one. Three.
three.
No.
Oh no. Um, upset that hers.
Oh, the answer
No,
is
no, no.
okay. She was so upset that she
Upset that she. Oh,
rode, rode or threw.
the number three.
Okay. Past tense.
Yeah. Yes, past. Threw away. Oh, and his was. It's the number two. Number two.
Yes, Andrew's book, this is possessive pronoun. Okay, possessive pronoun always like this, okay? She was so upset that she threw all Andrew's books.
Then, number one.
Then, correct. She was books then, correct. Great job.
Mhm.
Okay, it's fun.
All right. Oh, I think it's I am.
Hmm?
It's I am, no I is.
I am. Let us check. Correct. Okay, very good. Next one. I not mind.
And you throw away next. If you wait, so I will not mind.
This one, is it correct? I not mind.
I think it's a
What do you think that will fit? I not mind, do not, doesn't not, what?
and
A, I,
yes, I'm not mine.
I'm not mind. Are you sure, Val?
Yeah,
I'm not mind. Not mine or I do not mind. What do you think? Which do you think you prepare?
so isn't this sentence is in the future, right?
Mm-hmm.
About next week.
I,
Yes.
I, I not mind if you throw all away, all my stuff, all stuff next week. I won't mind. Okay, it could be.
Or
But
yeah, will be a golden.
okay, I like that. Want
Yeah,
mine is
want.
want mine is will not. Okay, let us check.
Okay.
Okay, I want mine.
Yes, I said
Yeah,
I
want
want.
because it's feature.
So
Okay.
I'm confused with
Mhm.
golden.
I wouldn't. Wouldn't. This is past tense. You will use wouldn't for past tense. Okay, will
Oh yeah,
present
it's
tense.
want, it's want.
Okay, can
Yeah.
present tense, could not or could past
Mhm.
tense. Okay,
Okay.
this one.
Okay, yesterday he threw away. So no with O, with E. Three, three,
Mm.
three,
Through.
threw,
Okay, that one.
threw away.
Okay.
I'm afraid this math can do anything. So, let's see. Want, want does. No, want do anything.
Okay,
One does. Number two, number
want
two.
does. I'm afraid this mad king won't does anything, won't do anything. What is the answer?
Okay.
Want to or want
One
that?
do, one do, one do,
Want
one do.
to. Okay, it's not will not does. It's want not to want to. Okay. Next.
And use for I, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so yeah. Are you no. It will be are you or will you mind? So is it if it's in the future,
This
I
one?
think it's will you mind? Will,
Okay,
number
correct.
three. Yeah. Will you mind if I borrow, number two.
Okay. Will you mind if I borrow?
Number
If
two.
I borrows? Number two.
Yes, number
Okay.
two. If I borrow your bike, number one. Yes. Your bike. Number two for a week.
Okay.
So what do you prefer? What did you prefer? What did you prefer? What did you prefer?
Hmm? What did you, this one?
What
This
did
one?
you prefer? No your.
Okay.
Only you.
What did you, okay, that one?
Yes.
Okay, let me check. Oh, sorry. This is question. Yeah, it should be. Did you prepare? Your answer is
No.
correct. Yeah. Did you prepare spy movies or rom-com last year? So I am it's my fault also. It should be, your answer is did you prepare? That's correct. But this is past tense.
Right away. What did you prefer or did you prefer, right?
Yeah. Answer is, did you prepare spy movies or rom-com last year? Okay, not what did you prepare. But when you say gallery example, what did you prepare last year? What did you prepare last year? Okay, this one. But this one, did you prepare spy movies or rom-com last year? Okay, this one. But if you say, what did you prepare last year? A rom-com movie or spy? Okay, that is, what did you prepare? Okay, you understand me?
Oh yeah.
Yes, yeah. Okay, but when you say this one, did you prepare spy movies or rom-com last year? Okay, this one. When you use the word what did you prepare last year? A rom-com movie or a spy movie? Okay, like that. Okay, that's become the question. Next one. Is sometimes by.
Okay. Is he uh
This reference, it's what they call it, one question.
yeah.
Does do
Does he buy something sometimes reference books?
mm,
Does he buy sometimes
does he buy
buy
sometimes or sometimes buy? What do you think?
buy sometimes?
Does he
There is
buy? Sorry.
yes. Does he buy sometimes the reference books?
Okay, this is your answer, right? Does he buy
Yes,
sometimes?
yes.
Okay, we can also have option. Does he buy sometimes reference book or does he sometimes buy reference book? Let us check. Okay, does he sometimes buy reference book? Okay, this is
Why is sometimes is first?
the sometimes is, we call this is adverb, right? This is adverb. Okay. So in this one, this becomes the adverb. It is comes after the or before the verb by. Okay. Does he always paint? Does he always?
Oh,
Sometimes is they call this adverb of frequency. Does he always paint? Does he never go to school? Like one. Okay, remember that one?
okay.
Adverb of frequency, then verb. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So one. Oh, you completed 14.
Yay.
That's done. 7 over 10 or 14 over 20. Okay, 7 over 10. Okay, let's move to our
Yeah.
topic for tonight. Let us have here. Okay, I note here we are in 3 because next time we need to 4. Val, you might be wondering why I get back because I want you to start from the very beginning, step by step. Okay, but here let us now, we are actually in 6. Staying modern. Staying modern. Okay, look at these pictures. You can see it's really nice. They are holding their phone. Okay. Look at the photo. What are the people doing and what happened if they didn't have their phones? What do you think, Val?
So first, I look the photo and there looks like a friend. Yeah,
Your friends?
there. Yeah. Everything. No, no, is everything.
Everyone?
Everyone. They use the phone, and probably they're working or they only chat with their friends.
Okay.
Um. Yeah. So I think if they don't have uh, cell phones anymore, mm, it will be terrible for them.
Mhm.
I see that they use the phones maybe always, and so spend more time in using the phone.
Okay. Next. Yeah, of course, everyone nowadays are using phones. It is not only ones, but phones, mobile phones are needed, right? Very important. Okay. Read a quote. The most technologically efficient machine that man has ever invented is the book. Oh, most technologically efficient machine that man has ever invented is a book. Okay, I don't know why it's the book. Okay, why do you think so? Why do you think,
Yes,
Val?
I'm agree. I'm agree. So yeah, it's true. I don't think maybe that a machine, but is a good is very useful for everyone. Yeah, if you use more or if you read more books instead of use your cell phone, you are going to have more knowledge, and yeah, it would be better for your for your mind.
Mhm. Yeah, I understand, Val. Yeah, it's true. Literally true. Yes. Okay. But sometimes nowadays we keep on watching phones, TikTok, whatever that one. Okay. But then the most important is if we read a lot of books, especially books that full of knowledge. So of course we can learn something from that. And it is indispensable. Okay. Now, in what ways can a book be more efficient than digital device? In your own idea, how does book become more efficient than digital device?
Oh, so okay, there are some ways, and I think in my opinion, I
Mm.
prefer maybe the digital device because I don't like to learn a lot. No, no learn, read. So I like read, but not always. I don't know why, but I'm tired when I finish to read some part. So maybe I need to have more custom. Yeah. But I think in the ways, one way is, for example, when you need to do something more quickly. Yeah.
Mhm.
If you need to search information uh, about the different topics, you only go to the digital device and search, and is more the information is clear, or you have straight the the information.
Okay.
I think for more is more easily.
Mhm. Yes, that could be. This is more easier. Okay. It is more easier. Okay. So I guess also book can be more efficient in the sense that it is indispensable. We can hold the book. We have here the book beside us. We can open anytime. Okay, so digital devices can pass by anytime. It will change. It can pass by. So unlike the book that literally we have the book to read here. Okay, that's my point on it. Anyway, Val, let us have to do the vocabulary. We have here, Val, staying modern. Our topic is staying modern. That is why we're talking about technology. Okay, technology,
Please.
technology, and technology. Okay, yes, we have here we have the word voicemail. Do you know this?
Yes, I know. Voicemail.
voicemail. Okay. I don't know if you're using voicemail. You know what, Val? Sometimes when my friends, when I try to tell someone to my friends and I I lazily type this one, I don't type, so I try to record a voice. Hello, I have here. Oh, okay. Are you okay? Oh, like that. So I try to record and my friend just gonna listen my voice.
I prefer send I prefer record a voice, my voice instead of the text
Text.
message. Yes.
Yeah, because sometimes well I am so lazy about that one. So I try to do the voicemail, the voice messaging. Okay, that's me. Oh, I heard you. You were with Rainy? Jenry?
Yeah.
Yeah, just
Genre?
when? Jenry, you met each other? I say I saw in the video. I
The
mean in
video.
the Facebook.
No, it was on okay, let me see, March, yeah,
Okay. I
when
really thought
we
that's new
yeah
one.
when he visited Ecuador, he record the different videos about me, yeah,
Ah,
and he upload the videos, and yeah, it was in March.
okay. So when will he coming? He will coming back to when?
Yeah, but he told me, but he said it's a surprise. It will be a surprise.
Wow.
So I don't know why. When?
Wow, surprise. Do you like surprises?
Yes, but in this case, I
Oh,
think
really?
it will
You
be
like
a good
surprises?
surprise, a big surprise, because I'm not uh I'm not going to know. But okay, so I'm all wait. Mm.
Okay, wow. Okay, so we have here the word text. Okay, do you know the text? Right? Text.
Text is yeah, it's a letter,
Text.
like a letter
Yeah, that's one.
message.
Message. Okay. Socket. Do you know the word socket?
Socket.
No, what?
Okay, this one, Val. Socket is like that. The one you use when you try to plug in something. Like when you try to plug in your charger, it is socket. Okay, it is a receiving plug. Okay, or light bulb to make a connections. Okay, it is socket, receiving plug. Okay, next one, snap.
It's not
Snap.
um, Snapchat. I don't know.
Snap
No.
is
So
snap is what?
mm, no.
Okay,
Oh yeah,
snap for pictures.
like a catch a photo.
Yeah. Catching a photo. Snap pictures. Okay. Next one, we have the word or click, flip, hatch a photo. Okay, next one we have set up.
Set
Set
up.
up.
Eh, I don't remember. Setup is like mm, like a brink, no?
Like a what?
Brink,
Ah,
no, right?
set up like this one. You create. Okay, to establish yourself in a new business or new area. To create, to establish, or to lay out, to set up. Okay, I will set up the decorations here. These decorations is for my birthday. So I will set up here the table, the chair, the cake. Oh, it means I will arrange, I will lay out, I will put there the cake. That is what we call set up. Okay, another one. Okay, rival.
Rival.
Oh, rival, yes, I know. It's, that maybe enemy.
Enemy, it's rival. Okay, like competitor, opponent. Like, oh, I've got a rival. Oh, that's the girl. That's my ex. Okay. That's the ex of my boyfriend. It's my rival. Okay. It's a person or a thing competing with another for the same objective. Okay. Competitor, opponent, or match. Okay. Oval. Next, we have this
Nice.
one.
Rehearse.
Rehearse.
Oh no, this
Rehearse.
word's no, is not for me.
Okay, rehearse, it means you will
No, I don't
practice.
know.
Okay, this one.
Repeat.
Rehearse the, okay, you will gonna have to repeat to practice a play, a piece of music. Okay, like you will gonna rehearse to practice public performance. We call it rehearsal. It's rehearsal. Okay? Next one, Val. Okay.
Oh, let's
You plug
look
in.
in.
Plug in, Val. Do you know plug in? I will plug in.
When you push something,
Push
no?
something. Okay, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it could be. Yeah, it could be when you try to connect something.
Yeah,
You plug in. Okay. You
plug in.
try to connect something.
Join,
Able to be
connect,
connected.
connect.
Okay, plug in. Next one, Val. We have Dan. Val, please tell me out of order. Do you know the word out of order?
Out of order. Maybe left the order when you no, maybe in the restaurant you of order.
Oh, yeah,
No,
it could be. When you go to the restaurant and you want to order pizza and the waiter tell you, "Oh my God, you're out of order. This is out of order." So it means not working properly at all. It's broken. Okay. So
okay, let me see. Let me see.
somehow,
Let me.
okay. So it means the CR, the comfort room is out of order. It means you cannot use that one. Okay, that's it. The one
Okay.
you told me about when you go to the restaurant and there is no food, it means no available food. No available or no availability. Okay,
Oh
next
yeah.
one.
For example,
Yes.
this food now is available in the menu.
Oh, yeah,
Menu.
yes, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
next one. Moreover,
Um, so when moreover is
is
maybe
S.
around you.
Okay, used
Oh
to
yeah.
add information also and more importantly. You can use this beside, furthermore, or further. You can use this moreover, okay, besides, okay, or furthermore, they're just the same, okay? They are conjunctions, okay? Another one, okay, manual. Do you know the word manual?
manual,
Mhm. Yes, I know.
Like this. Wow. Okay. User manual. Okay. This is the guide. Instruction guide. It's a
Mhm.
manual. Okay. Instruction guide.
Yes, I know.
Okay. Next one, we have look back. Look back. What's this? You're looking back at me.
Look behind me. Maybe.
Yeah. Look behind me. Okay. It means so looking behind me, that's
Remember it.
general. General meaning you look behind me, all you will remember or you will recall. Or looking behind, you recall. Okay. You think about the
Okay.
what happened in the past. Okay. When you look back,
Yeah.
you have to think what happened in the past. Okay. Next one, done, Val.
Next, yes.
Okay. Next one is last.
Last. Last. But in
Last.
the past.
Mhm. It is
In the
the
past.
go on run net to continue for a specific specified period of time
But
lasts
last is around.
last
It
time.
means like past.
Yeah. Yeah, it could be the last time or the last one who ride the plane. Okay, to continue for a specific period of time last. Okay, the meeting lasted for 2 hours. This is what it means with the clock. Okay, it lasted how many hours the meeting? It lasted for 2 hours. The drought lasted for several months. Life continue for how many months? This is what it means with the word last. Like, how many years? Okay, I cannot see the ceasefire lasting. Okay, so how many times, Val, or how many times have you tried or have you been to other country? Oh, that was last year. Okay, last
Yeah.
year. Okay, that is what you mean with last year. Okay, that is what you mean. But here the meaning for last is the length of period of time. The length of period of time. Like, how many times, Val, did you charge your phone? It lasts how many hours? Oh, and it lasted for 3 hours. Oh, that's lasted for 3 hours. So, period, specified period of time. 3 hours is the specified period of time that my phone is charged. Okay? You understand, Val? This is last.
Yeah,
This is last.
last,
Okay.
last.
The other one, last, the one I told you that, oh, I am the last one to go. Last, it means end. End.
Hmm.
Another meaning for last. Okay? You understand?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one, keep in touch. Do you know
Keep
this?
in touch. Yeah, I know.
Keep in touch.
Um when you still talking for someone with someone, uh, you
Yeah, you
continue
keep
talking.
you keep in touch. Okay, you keep in touch. Okay, next one, Val. We have the word keep up to date. Keep up to date. Ano mo expressing?
Um, yeah, maybe the date coming soon, and you need to uh, pay attention in the date, in the next
Mm-hmm.
dates.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it means.
Okay, pay attention. Keep up to date. So let us check. Okay, please be aware, be kept informed. So when you say, and please up to date me with how many lessons did I already learn? Okay, so it means you say, Val, I will inform you how many lessons. Okay?
Exact.
Okay, understand.
Yes.
Okay, next one, Val. Oh, we're done with this voicemail. Okay?
It's
Okay,
okay.
well, okay, let us have this discussion. By the way, Val, do you have like this in your country? Like this? Like these fruits?
What? What is kiwi?
Oh, I don't know. It's not kiwi. I don't know what to be saying for this. Show the inside. What is it? I don't know.
What is
It's like
inside?
inside.
No. No,
Yeah.
no, no.
Yeah, you
What?
asked generally
What is the
about
name?
it uh eh ano sa pangalan na day? Sigarilyas. Sigarilyas? Sigarilyas. Siguelias. I don't know what can we call this one? Siguelias, sigarilyas. Okay.
Oh,
It's a fruit.
cebuillas or cegarillas?
Yeah, yeah, it's sweet, little but not
It's
that
like
too sweet. Mm.
cebuillas. Oh, it's
Ah.
like when you put, yeah, when you put cegarillas, it's like cigarillos. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
no, 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 no,
Yeah, how
I've
do you
never
call the
tried.
orange, Val? How do you call orange in your country? Orange.
Naranja.
Marangha? It's orange.
Naranja.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
Oh, when you come to the Philippines, when you come here in my country, I will let you taste this one.
Well,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I think the coconut, we have cocoa too.
Coconut,
Coconut, yeah, coconut.
coconut,
What more?
coconut.
Coconut,
Narana. It's coconut. Yeah, it's boko. Boko is
coconut.
very delicious. Boko. It's good. Boko, coconut.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
Okay,
coconut.
okay.
Have you tasted coconut?
Yes, there are here. But Henry told me that coconut with that we have is the better because it's more sweet, it's
Mm.
delicious. Here, sure, no, the color of the cocoa, of the skin of the cocoa is what color? Brown. Yeah. But Henry told me the color of the cocoa here is green.
In my country, it's green.
Yeah, it's green, but here sometimes the people sold the color brown.
Mm. Ah, okay. So it's different. But we have color brown too, Al, but it's already old. Old coconut. Like the new one, the young one,
Yeah,
it's
it's
color
a
green.
old. Yeah, exactly. That is it's a color green. But about the cocoa, about the sweet. Here,
Ah,
I like the cocoa. Yeah, but I don't like the what is coconut water.
you don't
Yeah.
like the coconut water.
No,
Why
I
not?
don't. I don't
Why?
know. So Jerry told me it's delicious. Maybe here is different that taste, but yeah, I don't like. So it's a normal water for me. I
Yeah, it's
prefer
just
the
a
normal
normal
water.
water. Yeah, it's a normal water. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, Val, can you name 10 different, or can you name three different forms of communication? Three only.
Okay, so can you name 10 different forms of communication? Mm, yeah, on cell phone.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, what a letter? Write a letter.
Yes. Letter.
For signs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Uh,
cell phone, letter.
uh,
Okay, like that.
yeah. So what more?
Online.
Email.
Yeah, email. Correct. Yeah, that's it. Email, letter,
Oh,
mobile. Okay, that's odd. That's it. Okay, they are part of communications. Now, how will you communicate, Val, if your smartphone is out of order? You cannot use that one.
out of order. It's broken. So yeah, the for me, uh, I will have communication with my friends of the people for letter or only
Okay.
voice or only tell for with my voice. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, or maybe go to the house or later.
Okay, yeah. Okay, you have a lot of things to do just in case your smartphone is out of order. You can go to the house, you can leave message, maybe a phone. Okay, literally not a smartphone. Maybe a telephone. You can ask your friend or you can call. Okay, it depends also. Okay, how do you keep yourself, Val? I know you're busy, you have a lot of things to do. How do you keep yourself up to date with the schedule? We have class. How did you keep yourself up to date?
Yeah, yeah, sometimes I use my phone. For example, I need to wake up early and I use my alarm,
Yeah, you
yeah, for
use
wake
alarm
up.
clock. Alarm clock.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Through phone. You up to date yourself through phone. Okay. Now, mhm. How do you usually keep in touch with friends?
Not usually. So I think it's maybe one time per 6 months or two
Mm-hmm.
times. Because
Um,
their work
you're
and
working
yeah,
too.
they don't have a lot of time, so I need to do my things here. And in this time, the I think we throw up,
Mm-hmm.
and no, it's grow up, and yeah, they have another business, and so they put the effort in different things.
Okay.
And yeah, maybe we forget.
Okay. You sometimes are busy, so that's why you cannot communicate or you cannot keep in touch always.
I or they don't communicate with me always.
Okay, yes, I understand, Val. Okay, so that's it. Because we cannot blame them. Maybe they're busy or they just really don't like to talk or to have meeting always. It could be like that. Okay.
Yeah,
So
it's the
like
life.
yeah, Val, wait me. So in Ecuador, what form of communication is the best for you? Like, I mean, social media. Like in the Philippines, we do Facebook, Messenger. How about in your country?
WhatsApp. Finally, WhatsApp.
Ah, WhatsApp. Okay, most
Yeah,
people using
we
WhatsApp.
use WhatsApp always. So, what about you in your country? WhatsApp you don't use?
WhatsApp is less. We usually use Facebook Messenger. Messenger always. Yeah, Messenger always.
Yes.
Yeah, as you can see,
So
January,
instead
Messenger
of
always.
me, no. Yeah, instead of me, I've never used a Facebook Messenger. Never.
Yeah, before,
So
before.
I think yes, I think in these a few months I use more, or maybe I see more news on Facebook. But I remember uh okay, so a few months ago when
Mm-hmm.
I start to talk with Genre, we talk on Instagram. Yeah.
Ah,
And then
Instagram.
I said and then I said, okay, so we try to talk on WhatsApp. And he said, okay. But
Hmm.
I see he write more with his friends on Messenger.
Oh yeah,
And for me
yeah,
it's
yeah,
strange.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. I can
the
see.
people here, yeah, the people here, especially, I think teenagers and old people use more WhatsApp.
Ah, okay. Oh, in Vietnam, well, they are using Zelo. Okay, they're using Zelo like WhatsApp also. Most of the people in Vietnam they use Zelo, it's WhatsApp. So that's why I have apps
Can you
in
write for me? Can you write for me the
this one.
what is the app? Delo?
The apps is Zelo, like one, the Zelo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that's the apps in Vietnam. So that's why I have Zelo also because most of my students are Zelo users. So we communicate through Zelo. It's just like Facebook, like Facebook. Yes. Okay. Now,
Oh,
how long have you been using mobile apps?
and how long?
How long? How long?
Oh, it's a
Like
long
it been
time.
3 years
So
or 3 years or how long?
it's a long time. I don't know how long, but I think also when I start the university, I start, yeah, at this time
Ah,
from this time I use
WhatsApp
my
already.
WhatsApp.
Ah,
Yes,
okay.
WhatsApp.
So when you were in the university, you use WhatsApp.
And I-
How often, Val, do you use voicemails? How often do you use voicemails?
Mm, voicemails is like record your audio voice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So I think always, always when
Ah,
when yeah, if my friends read me or send me a message, for me it's better. Yeah. Or sometimes with genre, but it's a little bit difficult because I need to record in English, and for me when
ah,
I speak in Spanish, it's better.
yeah. How do you speak with Henry? How do you speak to him? English.
English, yes, always English.
English always. Oh, wow. Okay.
Different words. Sometimes I mix my English.
You mix
So,
with
for
Spanish.
example, I said, yeah, Spanglish. For example, I said, I need to go mañana.
What is
Mañana is
mañana?
tomorrow.
Ah, yeah.
Tomorrow.
Okay. I need to go mañana. Mañana is tomorrow. Oh, I guess
Or
Spanish
maybe a
is, yeah,
phrases.
phrases. Like, how did you say it?
Yeah, maybe a phrases. For example, he said it to me something, and I said, no, no, no lo sé. Tú tienes que ver luego. It's like
What does
I
that
don't know.
mean?
You need to see.
I don't
It
know.
means I don't know. You need to see another way, or you need to see
To say it.
later.
Ah,
Yeah, something
okay.
like that.
And then, what did Jenny said?
And then
English, English.
and then he said what? Yeah, English. So he don't understand different words, but yeah, he can understand Spanish sometimes.
Ah, sometimes. Okay. But Spanish is it's quite easy to understand than Vietnamese or than Korean language because we have we
Yeah,
see
I
similar
think.
words. We have some sort of similar words for Bisaya, right? Spanish.
Espanol. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
So I think it's
Gracias is
I
gracias
don't
is
know
thank
why,
you.
but the foreigner says
Gracias. Gracias is thank you. Gracias.
gracias.
Oh, thank you.
Yes,
Okay, go Val.
gracias. And
Gracias.
you're welcome is de nada.
Inara.
De nada.
Oh yeah, gracias. That's thank you. Gracias and thank you.
Mhm.
Dinara, welcome. Okay. So here now, can you look back and say what is your first friendship on social network?
Oh, I don't remember for a long time when I was child. I think maybe I was 10 years. Yeah, 10 years old. And my sister had high five. High
Mhm.
five was a social media, like a friends you
Yeah.
made friendship. But in my case, I only use Facebook. Yeah, when I start the college, yeah,
Uh,
I start to use Facebook. Facebook was my first social media.
social networks. Okay. The one you embrace. The one you embrace is Facebook. The first. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
In my country, it
more
was yeah.
Messenger. I remember Leaf Messenger, and
The light
it was
light
like a
messenger. Light. The light, this one.
live messenger.
One. That one?
No, no, no. It was a live. It was like this. Yes. You
Ah,
never
okay, okay,
tried?
yeah. Yeah, yeah, live messenger. You use that?
Yeah, Windows Live Message Messenger.
Ah, okay, yes,
Yes.
yes. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, so before Val, before Facebook comes out in my country, we have another like we use this one before Facebook come in my country. Friendster.
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
no,
we have
no. Here,
Friendster.
I didn't
Friend,
hear this.
Friendster comes in the Philippines before Facebook.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, next one. Who have you recently talked to nowadays, Val? Who have you recently talked to nowadays? You recently talked to
Tiene.
who?
So with with who I talked
Yes, with who?
recently.
Yeah, with
Oh.
whom do you talk to?
Mm, no, I don't have another person. I told you my friends don't write me because they are busy right now. So yeah, genre.
Oh, wow. Okay. So, what kind of information do you usually share on social network? Example, you share something. What kind of information is it?
Yeah, yeah, I understand. So okay, in my I use two social media network.
Mm-hmm.
And okay, I use WhatsApp only for upload. No, not for upload. I use WhatsApp for communication. Yeah, for a better
Mm-hmm.
communication. I use Facebook. I've never used Facebook, but when I use, it's only for maybe uh see a different news or
Okay.
when I upload a photo for my picture profile or or only this, no more. Yeah.
Ah, okay. So that's all. Okay.
Not noise always. It's hardly never. And yeah, but I use more Instagram. I
Ah,
like to
okay.
use Instagram. I
Instagram.
use Instagram for upload photos about me, about maybe a travel, or yeah, about something. And I like Instagram because there are more news for different topics. And yeah, so it's for distract my mind. I think it's my favorite app.
Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay. What kind of information do you usually share on social network? That is the one you told me. And last one.
Oh,
What kind of
yeah,
information will you never share on social network?
yeah. So maybe think so about maybe an accident or eh, I don't know, but bad news for the people.
Mhm.
So or maybe I see an animal. Yeah, this is important. Maybe I see in the street an animal and he died. I've never take a picture and upload. No, I've never
Okay.
shared this information on social network.
Okay. So especially personal one. You don't like to share your full identity in the social media. You don't like it generally. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, because of course that's very important. What they call that one, Val? Because somehow it protects our own privacy, right? I always believe that we have our own privacy to protect. So we don't need to share anything we want to share because we are protecting our own privacy. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, yes, of course. It's everyone. Okay, as you can see in here, most people nowadays while are using phones. Okay. Kids, teenagers using phone because we can see a lot in the social media. We can see many things, right? But of
Yeah.
course, what do you think, Bao, your point of view of what do you think is the advantages of social media?
Uh, you have more options for everything.
Mhm.
So mm, if you need to distract your mind and if you don't want to go outside, you can
Mhm.
see a movie, you can see maybe you text with your friends, or yeah, the social media helps a lot. But the problem is when the people use always, or maybe they don't have control about that.
Mhm.
So yeah, I think this.
Yes,
It's a good,
okay.
it's a good tool. The phone is a good tool for communication, for distract your mind, for everything. But you
Mhm.
need to use properly.
Okay, of course. We need to use it properly. That's the thing. We need to use it properly. Okay. So, but of course, there are people who are responsible users of phones. Okay. And that makes it disadvantageous. Okay. So, like what you have said, you're not sharing your whole identity. Okay. So I don't know in Ecuador, Val, if there are scammers, hackers. Do you have like this? Wait, like this.
I know, hackers.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
scammers.
this is very important. If you don't want to oh, scammers?
Oh,
What
scammers.
means scammers? No, it's not hackers.
Hackers, yeah, hackers and scammers. Hackers, the one who hack your
Oh,
account.
yeah,
Scammers,
it's
the one
very
who has money.
important.
Yeah, you want
Yeah, yeah.
was money through
So
online.
maybe this is the reason because I don't upload all photos or maybe all the time. I probably there are other person and they're look your profile or they're going to hacker your
Hack,
different
hack
accounts,
your
bank
account.
accounts. Yeah.
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
So that's it. That's probably the
So
reason.
ah,
Yes, that's probably the reason, Val. Sometimes, okay, so there are people who hack. In my country, Val, many. If they try to hack your Facebook account, it will go in the we have the so-called Gcast here. So when you try to enter hack your account, you can get the number of your friends lists on the messenger.
mhm.
They will gonna ask money through Gcash. Like, okay, give me. I don't have money. I am in need of money, assuming that I am you or you are me. Like we change the identity. Example, I am Valerie, and then I will go through your friends list and then hello, how are you? Oh, today I have a problem. So can I borrow money in the GCash, like 1,000 peso? Oh, why? Okay. Why did you use that? Okay, I use that because I need to use that for something else. And then your friend assumes that it's you, but it's the hacker. So that's scam already in my country. Many in my country. Hacker and scammer. Yes,
Oh,
literally Val. I don't know if
okay.
you have crime like that in your country.
So here, I think here it's the same, but it's a little bit different in these facts. For example, you have a business, and the thief, or maybe the person goes to, to your business, and they said, okay, you need to give me money, and
Oh,
yeah, otherwise I'm going to kill someone about your family, or I'm going to burn your
mm-mm,
business. Yeah, yeah. So this is a it's about actions here. Yeah, instead of
mm-mm.
maybe hacker your social media.
Okay. So like there
Here,
is what we
this
call
we have this a lot.
like there is a threats, like a threat.
Exactly. Correct.
Oh, so they're gonna do the threat and ask money from you in return with the money.
Exactly. Yes.
Oh,
Only ask for money. And so, but by the way, if you search on Google what maybe the country is more dangerous for visit, Ecuador appear in the list.
really?
Yes.
Oh,
Especially in the coast. In the coast,
oh,
all the time there are delinquency, there are kidnap. It's okay? Kidnapping?
delinquency and kidnapping.
Yeah, so exactly.
Like kidnapping. Oh, the same
So
in my country. Yeah, we also have the same in my country, especially the city, the capital, in the capital. So we do have like that also. Kidnapping, or like what you have said, Val, the same. Rape, okay, like that. You also have the same. Okay, so we're just
yeah,
extra.
oh,
So yeah, the same, Val. Okay, so that's why it's good that sometimes we have to protect our account in a Facebook. Okay, because hackers and scammers are everywhere. Okay, they try to hack your account. They will let us, oh, you won 1 million pesos. So you try to claim this. Click the link, or like that. When you try to click the link, your account is hacked. Hey, that's it.
oh,
Yes, exactly, Val. In my country, mainly. Okay? Yes. So, Val,
yeah,
next time,
the
yeah,
same
thank you
here.
so much, Val, for today.
Thank
And
you so
next,
much, and
huh?
thank you so much. Have a good night.
Yeah, okay,
I
yes,
said it.
yes, okay. Well, I will see you tomorrow, okay?
We see you tomorrow.
Same
We
time.
see tomorrow. Yeah.
Tomorrow, same time. And then we're going to have the developing tomorrow. And I will let to answer grammar again, then developing, okay? Okay,
And
yeah. Thank you, Val. Thank you so much.
good night. Bye
Oh, good
bye.
night. Good night. Bye-bye.